Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the globe. My name is Ruth Obi, and I am a founder of Sky Epic Realtors. Sky Epic Realtors is a leading real estate consulting firm based in Lagos, Nigeria. We help individuals and organizations put their funds into safe and secured real estate investments here in Lagos, basically in Lagos, Abuja, Mowe, and Ibadan. And today, I want to talk to us about an experience, about a story one of my clients told me. A client that called us from our platform, got our contact and decided to patronize us. And after the deal, he told me a story that I was touched. And I took this upon myself to do this video because I know there are a lot of people who find themselves in this same situation, in this same scenario that he himself, but he was wise enough not to go forward with the deal. So if you are watching my video for the first time, click on the subscription button, subscribe, turn on your notification bells to get real estate tips like this. Today we are going to be talking about budget. Yes, budget. And it's episode 1, so click on your notification bell to get real estate tips like this from Sky Epic Realtors whenever we post. So what happened? My dearest client told me that he had a boy here in Nigeria, though his family is far from Lagos, and he decided to call him to look for a property around Lekki Scheme 2 for him. And when he called me, I was telling him all the whys. Though he didn't tell me the story at first, he listened and he made his findings. And afterwards, he now told me, okay, this is what they are going through. Most of them that are in diaspora, this is exactly what they are going through. And I believe him because I've had a lot of stories like that. You know, the boy called him, okay, there are properties here that his uncle has over 1,000 plus acres of land or a big plot of land that he wants to sell below the budget of that location. So that is why I took it upon myself to, share this story with you and also talk about budget, because this is one of the key factors. Budget is the key factor when you want to buy a property, when you want to invest in real estate here in Lagos. Each location has its value and each location has a budget. There is specific price for Lekki Scheme phase 1. There's a specific price that even if you have to get it below, reduced price will not be like up to half of the money or half of the budget of that location. That is complete fraud. So click on your subscription button now. Don't forget, turn on your notification bell to get real estate tips like this from your girl Ruth. Thank you. So let's, without further ado, go straight to the point. As a real estate professional, my job is to advise you what to buy and what not to buy, and also to consult you on each location what is best for your budget and also what is best for your desired property, to invest in. So in real estate investment, your main focus should be budget. Your main focus should be budget, because if you are looking at investing maybe in Lekki phase 1 and let's say in Lekki Scheme 2, let's not go high like that, in Lekki Scheme 2, and your budget for property for this investment you want to vent into is like 5 million naira, and because you want to do because you want to really invest in that location, you are now looking at a different way or calling different people to try and get property for you at your budget. That is where you get it all wrong. You get it all wrong and you get frauded. If you are not careful, you'll be frauded for that, because the truth is that every location has its value. Yes, every location has its value, and there are specific budget for that. Take for instance, you want to invest maybe in a particular location, and your budget there is 5 million naira. Okay, and this same location is not selling land for 5 million naira, and maybe for real estate they are selling for 10 million, 12 million naira, and you think, okay, you can get it maybe from individual for 5 million naira. Trust me, you get frauded. You will be frauded. Trust me on that, because when there is a particular price like that for a property in that location, when they are telling you this location is going for 12 million naira, when you look around, you might get for 10 million naira, not below that. Yes, you might get from an individual for 10, 11 million naira, but anything below that is a fraud. It's a complete fraud. So we should be wise. Do your findings when you are looking into buying property. First of all, get the budget. Get the budget for your desired property. Get the budget. Do your findings. Do your due diligence. Now I want to invest. Let me take myself for an example. I want to invest in Ibejuleki local government area that starts from Awuyaya, and I'm looking at buying for like 5-6 million naira at this time. And the budget there, I go round and round and round, trying to invest in a real estate or in a secured property. What I mean by secure is a property that it's free, that has a title, maybe a governor's consent, a CFO, an approved allocated CFO from the government. That is what I mean by secured property. So it doesn't matter if you are getting it from an individual or from a real estate firm. It has to be a secured property, a property that has a title, that has a document on it. So if they are selling there for 12 million and I'm looking at buying for 5 million naira, definitely I'll run into wrong hands, because there are people out there are bad people out there who are waiting for such opportunities to grab you. They will tell you, I know the person wants to really sell, the person is ready to sell, he has a problem, and if you don't do your due diligence to find out, you will get frauded. So that is the whole fact about getting the budget. The budget is one key factor when you are trying to invest in properties or in real estate here in Lagos, Nigeria. So stop going about looking for a cheap land to avoid being get frauded. Be wise and reasonable. There is no 20 million naira land in Lekki Phase 1. That is a total fraud. If anyone walk up to you that he has, or someone that he knows want to sell, be careful. It's a total fraud. There is no 20 million naira land in Lekki Phase 1. Oh, this is Nigeria. Things like that happen, so we have to be wise and reasonable. So when you are looking to buy land in a specific location, what you do is make your inquiries. Try to know the value of land in that axis. That way you will know that, okay, it's not 5 million naira I need 10 million naira in order to get property in this particular location that I want to invest in. So try always to work with budget. Try always to work with budget. Make your findings, get the particular value of that location, then you will know how much you need in order to invest. Also, to avoid wasting your time, and also to avoid being get frauded. So I hope this is helpful. For more inquiries, for more questions, for your property investment need, I am here for you. I am dedicated to help you, invest in a safe and secure desired properties here in Lagos, Nigeria. So do well as to call us on the number on your screen, or read the caption below for other platforms we have. If you want to get connect to us, and also our WhatsApp link is being shared on the capture below. So do well as to, get in touch with us for the best at your budget. Yes, for the best at your budget. Subscribe, click on the notification bell. Don't forget to always get a tips like this. Thank you very much. Bye for now.